The broadcast is now starting. All
Morning,
attendees are
guys.
in listen-only mode.
Very good morning. Albert, Dennis, Anthony, fellas, good morning. Today is Wednesday, August 2nd. John, good morning. U.S. got hit with a downgrade in its credit rating by Fitch. You guys probably have all seen that, which led to the gap down open at 6 p.m. We have since filled the gap. I put in member Skype last evening. NASDAQ was longs. Morning, Jacques, John, Nolan. And yeah, well, that can't possibly be good for the markets at all. Higher cost to borrow. Good morning, Joe. Higher cost to borrow, higher interest rates. I mean, I don't know how the market is not down 500, but we'll see. Currently, NASDAQ's down 120, ES off 24, YM down 119, EMD and Russell, of course, down. Gold is up $9. Silver is up. Crude is up another 58, 59 cents. Equities are all red. AMD is holding the Ford up. AMD is up 261. They beat. Adobe's down $6. Applied Materials, Amazon's off $1.60. eBay's flat, head of earnings. BABA down 272. Microsoft 269. Nvidia down, call it $10. Tesla's off $5. Nowhere to go but down, my opinion. Meta down $4. Netflix off 357. All the big stocks are getting hit right now. In any event, good morning. Trade what we see today, not what we think. I think we all probably have the same opinion. Markets should go down, but we trade longs if there's longs. We'll trade shorts if there's shorts. Currently, when I got up at 5, the negative delta on the NASDAQ was around 1,800 contracts. They have since bought them all back. We're only down 160 contracts at this point. ES, 5,500 contract negative delta. We'll look at order flow in a minute. Let me read the disclaimer, and we'll get on with it. It's coming. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There is your disclaimer. Holding some hourly support. I think they'll retrace this entire up move. Gold is getting a sell. I'm not watching gold. Let me turn these bots on. That's already in a short. So no danger there. If you held for 75 target one, it's hit. Yeah, I've had to use the flatten button too on Apex. And now you have a target at 657, maybe 656. And on the hourlies, 651. Or up to 700 net sellers. NASDAQ is now breaking down here. Going to get some support here at 66. We could trade down to 27. We're at value area low. Might get a bounce here at 64, but this will work down through. Over 800 sellers now. Next target is 57, fellas, maybe 56. Next 10-minute bar in 47 seconds. And I think that's the one that gives us the next target down. Going to get a little bounce off this value area low. Closing in at 1,000 net sellers. That's your next target. The bottom of that yellow, that's next target. I don't know that I'd give any of these up though, but we're over 1,000 now on the net sellers. ES breaking down as well. 56, 57 is the target, fellas. 60. No buyer, small buyers. Some short covering down here at value area low. So I have an ultimate downside target, which is 595. This could pop back up to 82. Won't change a damn thing. We're coming down. Oh, I forgot to do one thing, fellas. Tomorrow I clear another evaluation. I have an active member Skype. So how close to 20 accounts am I? So I got to 18 and I took the bottom 4 and traded them aggressively to try to get them all over the 52,600 number, and blew 4, went back to 14, and that's where I'm at, 14, with one that clears tomorrow. So I'll be at 15 again tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow it clears. So tomorrow's what, Thursday? So Friday, so 15. But every one, all 15 will pay me on the 15th. If you guys recall, how long does it take to get funded after passing the evaluation? So once you pass the evaluation, which is a minimum of 7 days, right? So whether you pass on day 1 or day 7 is moot, but let's assume 7 days. There is no time limit to get funded with Apex. So you then get a performance account of, say, $50,000. In order to get paid, you have to clear 52,600. Then your trailing draw remains permanently fixed at 50,100. So in theory, you could take the maximum draw of 2,000 on the first available payout, but that would leave you a $500 cushion, which I don't recommend. No, this market has not been easy to trade PAs. No, it's not. It's not been easy to trade. Monday and Tuesday were brutal. Very tough days. I mean, I made my money, but I've sized down. So I've given you guys, you know, what my map is for these performance accounts, right? These funded accounts. My goal is to take $2,000 on 20 accounts twice a month. That's 80,000 a month. I've told you guys, you know, flat out, I don't make 80,000 a month in my cash account. Not even close. Like, not even close to 80,000. And I've never seen the benefit. Historically, I never saw the benefit of Apex or any of these funded trading platforms because I trade a cash account. But the benefit is multiple funded accounts, not one or two. I mean, I guess if you want to make, $4 grand, $5 grand, $6 grand a month, but that wouldn't be of any interest to me. But 15 to 20 paying you $4,000 a month is 60 to 80 grand while continuing to build equity in those accounts. And then at the end of 3 months, if you want to swipe or sweep the equity, so let's say you have 20 accounts and they're all at 60 grand, right? So in 3 months, you basically are adding 3 grand a month to your accounts. It's nothing. It's $150 a day. So if you're at 60 grand at the end of 3 months, if you wanted to take, let's say 8 grand on 20, you get $160,000 paycheck. No, I don't. First of all, Mark, I don't think they'll change the rules. Secondly, I can tell you with categoric certainty, not everybody is going to make $80,000 a month. I can tell you that with complete certainty, because no matter how I lay out the plan, and I've given you guys the goal, all you need to make is $200 a day across 20 accounts, and that will pay you $80,000 a month. That's it. There are too many people that will not follow that plan. They will not follow that plan. We're bouncing back up to that 82 level, which is 87 is major resistance on the 10-minute. It's not going to change anything. We're still shorts. I know you are, Marcia. You're kicking ass, man. I'll give you. So here's what I laid out. I think I saved it. Let me see, Jamal. No, that's not it. Let me see if I saved it. I don't know if I saved it. I didn't. So here is the plan that I laid out for guys, or for the room. 20 PA accounts is the goal. Okay? 20 PA accounts, that's the goal. At least that's my goal. Doesn't have to be your goal. Your goal could be 5. Your goal could be 10. I don't know. But 20 is my goal. All right? $200 per day. With a trade copier, right? Gives you 4,000 across 20. So $200 a day times 5 days a week is $1,000 a week per account. Okay? That allows for you to take 2,000 per account two times per month. 20 accounts times 4,000 equals 80,000. Right? Now, I have not done that yet. I've not done that yet. but I'm damn close. My goal was the end of August for an $80,000 payout, but I shot myself in the foot when I lost 4 accounts. Yesterday I did 375 across all my accounts. I think one was at 380. The lead account was at 385. And done. I shut my machine down. I don't care if it's the juiciest setup in the world. I don't care what it is. I shut my machine down. I'm done. The buyers came back in, guys. We didn't quite get that second target, but close. I think this is just a pop back up for a reload into the open. Repeat what I just said about the accounts? You mean what I just put on the screen? I didn't save it. I didn't save it. You'll have to watch the video. I'll send you the video. Oh, okay, you got it. So is it doable? Yeah, it is. It is. But the problem with the problem that I have had is I see trades and I take them. And I, like anybody else, am prone to potentially over trading. I have curtailed that by hitting my goal and shutting down Apex. Small sellers on the open. We have momentum to the downside. I'm just letting these shake out, guys. Big gap downs in Qs, obviously, and SPYs. SPYs look better than Qs. Up to 1,600. It's all sellers. We are setting up for a potential on the 15-minute. I'll show you what I'm looking at potentially. Let them just do what they're going to do at the open here, guys. Unless you want to just bang out the bottoms. A break here at 43 probably takes us to 33. So here's the 15. This is what I'm watching on the 15. I don't care how bad it is. They're going to trap shorts at some point. Could be 1 o'clock today, but they're going to trap these shorts. That's the 15. There's 33. Yeah, they're blowing them out pretty hard. We could trade. Let me look at the daily. We're going to trade down to 597, but I need the 10-minute bar to close below the cloud. Otherwise, it's going to suck right back up. 21-day moving average, guys, is at 598. That's 21-day moving average. 2,100 net sellers. It's all sellers here at the open. Go back to a smaller. This is why we don't sell bottoms. That's wicked. Mean reversion on a 5-minute could take us back to 670. I would short on a move back up 53 to 65. I don't think we're going to get it. 1,000 contracts sold in that first 3-minute bar. SPY selling. Qs selling. Here, this break of 27 could bring us down to 609. 609 below 27. So if it's in your trade plan to sell bottoms, have at it. Just trade small. Target is 609 below 27. This is the 21-day moving average at 98. We should get some reaction off that 21-day moving average. 609 target hit if you sold 27. 92. We're going to get a reaction, I would think, off the 21-day. Which is at 96. No buyers showing up yet. First, let's go to Qs. Okay. First set of deviations are in. Who's buying calls for gap fill? Not me yet. Some buyers showing up. I'm going to try a long off that 21-day moving average, 96. I'll be quick to kill it. I'm looking for a bounce. You son of a bitch. I'd say it filled me with one contract. It's not bouncing. There it goes. No. Come on, pull it. Still no bounce. This really should bounce off this area, guys. I'm long 5. I'm on the close. Come on, suck up. Let's go. Come on, Buttercup. Killed it with a small loss, 150 bucks. It's not bouncing fast enough for me. Bots are on. It's trying to hold this area. I would try a 94 long again. Tried it at 95. Still doesn't want to go. Come on, pull back up. No, not yet. Come on, let's go. It's trying to hold that daily support. Get up there. Let's go, you rat bastard. There we go. Come on, pull up. Come on, go. There we go. Get back above. Small win. It's just not finding buyers off that support. Small win. I'm flat. Now it may go, but we only have 2,500 sellers, guys. It's not like they've blown out 10,000 contracts here. We're going. I should have held that. Had them. We held 240 support, just below the 21. We overran the 21 by a little. 96, 10 handles. There we go. Some buyers coming back in. Now they're buying them, guys. Q's held 2 standard deviations. I wouldn't go jumping in the pond yet looking for longs, but we could retrace to 31. That would be my first target had I kept that trade, 31. I would now try this long at 15 with a 31 target, maybe 15 half. 15 half, 31 target. We got 500, almost 500 buyers in this bar. Doesn't change my entry, 15 half, unless we ping that 21 day again. I think now we're going to, that's an interesting place again, this 21 day. The momentum is weighing to the downside. ES, this could be a failed breakdown. I like NASDAQ on the longs. I still like the longs down here, guys. We're consolidating. I'll be long 15 half. Losing some buyers. Oh, that's why. Change that. SPYs are bouncing. 452.37. Damn, SPYs have almost bounced. Here we go. Okay, long 15 half. It's got to push up here. Come on, 16. That double top got me. Come on, NASDAQ. It's got buyers. No. Come on. Need to get above 12. Got 13. Small buyers here. Send in the buyers. Come on, send in reinforcements. Let's go. First target for me is 27. 27. Come on, I see you. I see you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Gotcha. All right, guys. Next one is going to be 42. So let's call it 40. Next target is 40. Come on. Got 800 guys. We're down to 1,400 net sellers. 1,400. 900 buyers in this 3-minute bar. Now they got the shorts on their heels. Little flag. All right, let me kill that. Failed. Up 700. Still like this. Anybody take the long? Still think we're going. Anybody take the long? Okay, Marcia. Okay, guys. All right, fellas. Good job. I like the long. Guys, I still like longs. Need this candle to close here. There it is. And I still think we're going to 40. Oh, didn't close. ES. And late on the ES. 67 was a trade. Yeah, I only try to trade in building a bear flag on a 2-minute, but that's going to be negated above 44. I'll be long above 44. Nice job, Mark. Really nice. No bot trades yet. They're in shorts. I'm not watching gold today. I'm watching Qs and SPYs. I would think gold should get a bid out of all this mess. It's crude inventory day. I don't really trade crude, but if you like crude, you have a long to 32. It is 81.16. You have a 32 target. I will not be in that trade. 32 target 1. There's 23. Come on, crude. 25. Come on, big fella. Hump it up there to 32. 26. Come on. 27. Got 28. Give me those 310. Give me those $30. Got 28. Small buyers in the NASDAQ net negative delta is increasing to the downside. 73 could be the downside target on NASDAQ now. We're holding the 21-day. We just bounced the 21-day. Lining up with value area low. That was another good long and I missed it. Watching crude. Excuse me, guys. $300. I think Qs can get back to 380. Guys, I'm looking for a 40 long now. 40. $36 long. 37. Downside momentum is done on the small time frames. 500 buyers in this 3-minute bar. They're buying them here at 01 half. They just bought them again. 222. 228. They're buying 01 half. 229. There's no blocks in. There are no blocks. If you notice, you got one block there and one small block there. You got a 198 block here and a 50 here, but there are no blocks. Yeah, I mean nothing of any. They bought them again here, 0150. They're buying them every pop of. I don't know what the significance of 0150 is, but they're buying 0150. I have no support or anything that lines up with 0150. Held that 240 support again. Black line above is 15-minute. Just let the crazy play out. Yeah, it could be, Stuart. I have nothing that lines up with that. So I don't know. Maybe just because it's over the whole number. Here comes 73. I don't sell bottoms, so. I've got daily support down here at 545, but I have a rejection at 566. Could be a liquidity sweep, but I don't sell bottoms, so until this thing pops, my long now is 28.50. And that may not happen for a while. I'm good. I'm up 700. I'm good. If I don't get another trade for an hour, we're fine. We're not jumping into anything just to be in a trade. Now that 21-day moving average, we've got to come back through. $15-minute has been short since 8:30 at 685, and I've missed it. Nice job, Gene. I have yet to take a trade in a PA account. Point of control, 5-minute close above the point of control goes a long way. We obviously don't have it. 5-minute close above that little trend line. Got buyers now. Couldn't break 81. I will try that 24 long now. 24. Have some resistance at 31. Ooh, she getting jiggy. $52 on ES. I don't know that the ES is going to get there. Right now, the ES looks like that's a failed breakdown, right? We got 58.50. We're holding support now. I don't know. Pending 10 at 24. Guys, whether I trade 110 doesn't make it a better trade. Now resistance has moved down to 18. Now I could be long 21. We stopped right here at 12. Yeah, I mean, if you look at a small time frame, I mean, even the 5-minute, if you go to a 1-minute or a 2-minute, look at the consolidation. It's all in here. It doesn't look like they're driving this much lower. They got shorts in here now. All they got to do is run this 40 handles. They're going to kill these bastards. If I had to guess, this is all retail idiots. All right, guys, I'm going to try the 20. I don't want to. Resistance, if we get 20, resistance isn't until 29. Yes, we are retail idiots, but we're not chasing these shorts, right? I'm telling you, when they reverse this, and they always reverse it. It could be at 1 o'clock. I don't know. When they reverse it, they're going to chunk these guys hard. I'm inclined to buy calls. I know y'all think I'm batshit crazy, but now it's moved down to 16. 16 entry. I'm sitting at 17. We're setting up for a slingshot long. 29 would be first area of resistance. Still can't clear that little trend line. It's nothing. We're oversold on the 5. Not quite yet on the 15. Doop-de-doo. SPY selling. I'm still pending long at 16. Up to 4,400 sellers. Guys, since 9:55, in the last 6 minutes, we've gone from 2,700 to 4,400 net negative delta, and they haven't moved this thing an inch lower. Now you can try a 12 on the long. I'll move that to 13. Come on. Pushing up through that trend line. Ideally, we get the 5-minute bar to close there. Here's the flip coming. I'll be quick to kill it if it doesn't hit and run. Down to 4,100. Didn't hit it yet. ES, I'm not even close to on a long. I tell you, one thing's for sure, two for certain. When this thing rocks, it's going to go. This thing is consolidating for 20 minutes now. All right, guys. Now my long has moved down to 12. I could even go 11. Boy, this is a shit ton of consolidation down here. If this breaks up with some buyers, these shorts are going to get massacred. There is no momentum to the downside. $4,200 on the net negative. Still no real buyers down here. This is close. This is going to break out of this trend line, I think, and go. Small buyers. This looks like it wants to break down. Got a 98 seller now at 88.5, 102. They hit them again at 88.5, 145. All right, they're breaking it down now. This could come now on the downside, 66.5. I'll cancel that long. $123 seller at 80. Come on, go give me 56. Double top. There we go. 56. I want that unfinished auction. Target one. Come on, you got him. You got him. Don't let him off the hook. We get through 53, and this could be a rocket ship. Come on, homeboy. Come on, one more candle. Let's go. Push, push, push. Come on, big fella. Come on, meat. Come on. I'm not flinching. I'm holding for 46. I mean 56. Target one. I ain't flinching. Trade as you see fit. You got $800-900 or however, whatever you got on. I see you. I see you. Another 400 buyers. 1,500 contracts bought in the last 10 minutes. I see you. Come on. You guys might want to take one tick less than that. 55.75. I see you. Come on. Oh, you stink. Come on. Got a 172 buyer here. All right, I'm going to sell 3. I sold 3 at the market, guys. I didn't get my target, but it's going to get that 56. I promise you it's going to get it. Down to 5,200 net sellers. Now they're buying them up. This should make it all the way back to 73. Couple ticks shy of that target. Anybody long? Here comes that. They're going to get that auction. There's no way they come 2 ticks shy of that auction and leave it. Nice job, Gene. Boom. Auction gone. Down to 5,000 sellers, holding 2. Next target up, 73 and then 83. So I'll try to get one off at 7.3. So let's call one off at 70. Let's go 7.0. Come in ahead of that target. Uh-oh, shorts. Uh-oh, shorts. $4,800. $7.0 next target for me. And you just got a long signal on the 5-minute. Uh-oh, shorts. Uh-oh. Got 66. Uh-oh. Come on, push a little more, big guy. I see you. I see you. Almost 68. It's pushing that weekly resistance up there. Right here. Down to 4,600. All right. Sold 1. My birthday's Monday, not today. Thank you. All right, flat. All right. 2 trades, 1,300. Everybody good, guys? We haven't taken many trades, but we're waiting for our trades. Is everybody good? Okay. A little bit of support here now on the daily, 45. Nice job, Soph, up 2,200. All righty. Needs to push. Really needs to get about 57. Above 57, this can go right back to, this could go to 73. I don't want that target there. $57 is kind of the key here. Come on, buy them. Buy them up. Let's go. 30 sellers. Now some selling came in. Buyers trying again, right off that daily support. Come on, give me 57. Let's go. Right back to that daily support with 25 sellers. Buyers trying again. Jeepers, 56. Need 56. Come on, horse. Let's go. $18 buyers. They flipped it from small negative delta to small positive. This is it. Oh man, it came so close. Got 56.25. That's what it's got to clear. If this breaks here, this goes 71 and potentially much higher. $75 buyers. We're down to 4,400 sellers. It's building a bear flag. Higher highs. Come on. Buyers had them. They still do. This is support. I'm going to add 5 here. I have 10 on, so this will be a quick kill if this doesn't bounce back above my average. 50. Nope. Quick kill. I don't think this breaks down, but it on the small time frame it could. It's holding a trend line. I don't think it breaks down, guys. It's holding that trend line. Yeah, you dog. Let me look at the hourly. Yeah, this could come back down to 15 on the bigger time frames. Break here. Come on, break down. Back to 5,000 sellers. I think this could break down now. into 11. That's the bounce? Seriously? Here we go. I'm going to sell 3. Close it out flat. Still think this sucks up. I mean, we are grossly oversold. Yeah, it still held. Overran it by 5 points. Spies may have 50 cents left to the downside. What time frame, Arjan? I don't know what time frame you're looking at. Here's some daily support here. We just popped it there. I don't know where you get that, Mohammed, so I can't speak to that. I have 464. I don't have 380, 390. Where does that come from? We just bounced daily support. Where do you get that number? I'm not saying you're wrong. I just don't know where you're getting the number. That doesn't make any sense. Daily breakout. What does that mean? So how are you identifying 380 to 390? There has to be a reason you've come up with 380 to 390. Oh, okay. I would not personally bet that we see that today, but we may tomorrow. Maybe we get there. I don't know. I trade levels. I look for longs off levels. I look for shorts off levels. And I believe that the game is to wreck as many traders as possible. Stuart. And I think that once we're out of Europe, I think they're going to leave some of these shorts hold in the bag. Okay, Mohammed. See you tomorrow. I hope you get your target. Look, we're massively oversold. Massively on the 5 minute. Close of the bar, it's going to give me a long signal. I don't get a long signal till above 530. But at the close of this bar, there's a long. We don't have big buyers. I mean, there are buyers, but they're not very big. Lost it. Ooh. Held that daily support, which could be very good. Got a small scalp off that. Come on. If we can get above 500 and 17, I'll be long above 500. We're above there now. I got to hold it on the candle close. Oh, I'm liking this. I have a 26 target from here. All right, new 5-minute bar. All right, I'm long 05. Shit, I did not want 10 on. Not what I wanted. Come on, give me nickels. Got it. Come on, let's go wreck some shorts, Dave. Got to get through this weekly here. Come on. Pull up. Hold this 95. Get back above 95 support now. Come on. We're holding. As long as I hold 95, I'm okay. Come on, buyers. Sellers are pressing. Buyers back in. Come on, buyers. Back over the whole number. If this gets through 12, it's going to 26. Through 12, it's going 26. Back to entry. Through 12, it's going to 26, I'm telling you. I'll take 21 as a target. We have no buyers in here, but sellers are really small. Got to get 12, fellas. Here it goes. Push, you rat bastard. Push. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go get 21. Come on. New candle. Push. Come on. Suck face. Let's go. There we go. This son of a bitch. There's nothing here at 12. This should go to 26. Got a couple hundred buyers trying. I don't know what's holding it up here at 13. Come on. Come on. Come on, Oompa Loompa. Let's go. $400 buyers in this bar. Come on, rat bag. Got 17.75. Come on. I see you, target. I see you. I see you. I see you. I got you. 4 ticks, 5 ticks. Building another bear flag though, and it's got to get me. Oh, it hit target. Got it. 26 is where it's going. That's the problem. Anybody long? Anybody long? Mark, if you're not long, you don't need to tell me no. I'm asking if anybody is long so I can help them manage the trade. If you're not in the trade, I don't care. Okay, stop is now at even. Okay, Ray. Now I'd like to get 15-minute resistance at 35. That would be my next target, so let's call it 32. That would be next. Come on, let's hurt the shorts badly. Let's hurt them badly. I'm on the close, guys. Want to hold here, 15. Flat. Flat. Target one only. I could be wrong, but yeah, we basically held. Guys, this could go 540. If you held, this could go 540. Next area, any real resistance here is 26. Needs to take that little 5-minute swing. 24, 25. Call it 26. Above 26, this is off. Yeah, I think once we get out of Europe, they're going to trap these. The downside momentum is gone. We may float around, but